Alright, hey, so today's adventure is we're gonna go to this waterfall and take some photos. Sounds good. Me and my boy Juan over here. So let's get at it. The reason we went down the hill was for this shot. so we're at this place. It's called Helen Hazen, I guess. And me and Juan are gonna go take some photos of like an old abandoned bridge and stuff like that. So we'll see how it goes. There's currently a park ranger. Looks like he's ticketing somebody behind us. So there's that. But anything you want to say to the children, Juan?
Don't do drugs.
Don't
stay in school.
Stay in school. Don't do drugs.
Don't reuse condoms.
Alrighty, so we're here, and as you can tell, Gangster Rap made me do it. So we're here checking it out. It's starting to get dark, so pictures aren't really coming out well. Not a big fan. But, we're gonna see if we can't knock some icicles down with some shit. So let's get at it. Alrighty, so we're back home now. We went to the waterfall, took some cool pictures today. Went to the bridge, took some pictures. All honesty, it was a pretty solid day. What would you rate it, Juan?
A solid 8.5 biscuits.
8.5 biscuits. 8.5. Out of how many? 10?
72.
72. 8.5 out of 72. That's some low ass numbers. But we got them biscuits. Alrighty. Till next time, have a good one.